Today is lesson 3.4, Model Multiplication. Our essential question is, how can you use the strategy to draw a diagram to solve one- and two-step problems? Our problem of the day is, at the 2008 Summer Olympics, the United States won 64 medals, more medals than Australia. If Australia won 46 medals, how many medals did the United States win? Using the cubes method, I look at the numbers. I see 64 and 46. I also see 2008, but I know that that is information that we don't need to solve this problem. It's important because it is the 2008 Summer Olympics, but it's not a number that we will be using in the equation. Next, I'm going to underline the question is, how many medals did the United States win? And our clue word is more, because I know the United States won 64 more than 46. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 64 and I'm going to add 46, because again, that clue word more tells me that that's that kind of problem. So when I add these two together, 4 plus 6 is 0, or is 10, but I carry the 1 up here. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 more is 110. So my answer is 110, which is letter D. When solving multiplication, you can always show pictures like this one. If I have repeated addition of 2, 2, 2, and 2, I can add these together by adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which will equal 8. Or I can show 2 times 4, and that will also equal 8. So using this picture, I can see that it's a repeated addition and it can be a multiplication problem. Let's look at this one. I have 4, 4, and 4. So I could add 4 plus 4 plus 4 to equal 12, or I could multiply 4 times 3. So like this problem says, Toshi has 3 boxes of rocks. There are 4 rocks in each box. How many rocks are there in all? Well, I show this picture because there's in each box 4 rocks, and there's 3 boxes. So it would be 3 times 4 equals 12. This next one right here, I have 4 gemstones in each crate. I have 3 crates. What kind of problem would this be? Please write the repeated addition equation as well as the multiplication equation on your Post-it and make sure to turn in.